live in a rapidly changing world. Cities are undergoing huge transformations as populations grow, traffic patterns shift, and new construction develops daily. Today, I'm going to show you how tools in ArcGIS Pro 2.2 can help proactively manage this change. Over the past year in Redlands, California, we've watched the construction of a new commercial center. Here are the building footprints, curbs, and sidewalks, and adding labels provides an accurate picture for who's there today. With a label expression, I can use fine text to generate new annotation from multiple fields in the building in the layer. Quick, easy, and accurate. To complete my map and add in important details, I can quickly use a parking spot preset, along with the grid, to snap the new parking spot into place. To draw the remaining parking spots, I can use copy parallel from the editing toolbar and save time by automatically generating multiple copies from a single feature. Editing in ArcGIS Pro 2.2, I can add in additional parking and green space. And this completed site plan shows the latest as-built information. The next step is to model in 3D. So let's focus on this new restaurant completed just a few weeks ago. By copying and pasting the 2D feature into a new multi-patch layer, it's now ready for editing in 3D. The first thing we want to do is add height to the building. By opening the vertices editor and hovering over the polygon, I get the option to extrude the footprint. Here, we'll extrude to 20 feet. Next, to add more detail to the building, we'll add textures, real-life textures, using one of my favorite new tools in ArcGIS Pro, the multi-patch texture tool. Very simply, we can load in pictures I took on my iPhone and apply them to the sides of the building we've just extruded. We can do this for each side of the building, adjusting and scaling to get it just right. And while it's easy enough to walk around and capture or take pictures, capturing textures for the sides of the building, getting access to photograph the roof is trickier. But with aerial imagery, I can pull in the roof texture and apply it just as we did to the sides. One of the unique characteristics of this new development is the design. In ArcGIS Pro 2.2, I can use the vertices tool to add details that provide key architectural elements, transforming these features into a beautiful 3D model. Using the building constraints, we can lower the roof and create a building edge. We can also add in the skylights on top of the building, a defining feature. By dragging the ledge up and then pulling on the side, we can create the angle of the skylights quickly. And notice how the textures work with the edits, so the details pop without any distortion. We can even push in the doorway, creating a realistic model of the entrance in just a couple of seconds. Editing in 3D has never been easier. I can then build out the rest of the district in 3D. And now that I have an accurate representation of the rest of the commercial center, fast 3D analytical tools, like the interactive viewshed analysis, can be used to inform where to place a sign on top of the roof, to advertise the district to people driving by on the freeway. A single click creates my viewshed. Everything in green is what can be seen from the observer point. And watch how the sign stays green as we mimic a car driving down the road, making this an optimal place for maximum visibility. Now that I have a beautiful 3D model of the commercial center with the sign placed in the appropriate spot, I can export this entire scene to ArcGIS Online and then email a link to my friend. On their mobile device, a simple click opens the scene in the phone's browser, just as it would on the desktop. No plugin required. Instantly transporting my friend to the commercial center and giving them the same view of the 3D model that I have access to on my computer. They can navigate around with their fingertips and have the entire world in the palm of their hands. The latest release of ArcGIS Pro 2.2 has the power and tools to map our world and your communities. Thank you.